Welcome to Art Lectures. Today, we explore Jan Asselijn's captivating painting, The Threatened Swan, created around 1650. This striking work, measuring 144 by 171 centimetre, portrays a swan fiercely defending its nest from an approaching dog. The swan is depicted life-size, enhancing its realism and impact. Asselijn masterfully uses light and dark contrasts to highlight the swan, which stands out against a darker background. The bird is painted in shades of white, yellow, grey and blue, standing in backlight. The left wing catches the sunlight at the top, enhancing the contours of the chest and adding tension to the swan's depiction. Asselijn's skill in texture portrayal is evident as sunlight filters through the delicate edges of the swan's feathers. The sky consists of two shades of blue, a greyer tone above and a